In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom fonts in every Framer project. Whether you're a web designer looking to add a personal touch to your work, or someone who wants to experiment with typography, using custom fonts can really elevate the aesthetic of your projects. The best part? It's incredibly simple, and I'm here to guide you through each step of the way. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to Framer's website. Framer is a no-code website builder adored by designers the world over, known for its professional-looking, user-friendly interface. Once you've reached the homepage, you'll see an option to log in at the top right corner of the page. Click on Login. This will direct you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. If you don't have an account, you can easily create one by following the sign-up prompts. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll arrive at Framer Home. This is your central hub for all projects, and from here, you can navigate to the specific project where you'd like to use custom fonts. Now, find a project from the list. It could be an existing one or a new one you've just started. Simply click on the project to open it. Now that you're inside your chosen project, you'll need to locate the text element that you'd like to customize with a new font. This is easily done by clicking on the text option. You can find it on the left-hand panel where all your design elements are listed. Once you have your text selected, it's time to spice things up with a custom font. Look for the font option, which allows you to modify the typeface of the selected text. Clicking on Font opens up a menu where you'll see a variety of font options. This is where the magic happens. Select a custom font that suits the style and tone of your project. You can experiment here, swapping between different fonts until you find the perfect fit. Remember, the right font can tell a story all on its own, so don't be afraid to take some creative liberties. And there you have it. With Framer's straightforward interface, incorporating custom fonts into your projects is a breeze. It's a small change that can make a big impact, adding character and professionalism to your work. So get out there and start experimenting with different fonts to see what works best for you. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has been helpful, giving you everything you need to dynamically enhance your Framer projects. Don't forget to share this video if you found it useful, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.